has just learned how to growl and bark. She's just playing around, but it's crazy.
Mambo, time to go home. Come on. Why did you do that?
You okay there, Cooper?